Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and as promised I have been cutting up the journal cards. That's a lot of cutting. I used my rotary, whatever you call it, the big cutting board thing that slides. That's the technical name for it. Okay, and I counted up the verses that will go into the journal, and there are 50 of them. If you don't want any extra things, you could actually remove 2 pages. But I think I'll leave them because you can put other things. Now what I was saying is see if you fold these in half, see how much that sticks out. And I don't want to do that. So I think I'm going to do 15. I usually do 5 in a signature. So I think I will do 5 and 5 and 5. Anyway, I'm going to break it up into 5 sheets, 3 signatures. Anyway, you don't need to watch me do that. I'll probably be meddling around with that for a while. And then I'm going to cut rectangles for when I fold this in half. You can't go by mine because I have printing on the back of mine. But if yours are plain white and you fold them in half, you're going to have white space that you need to fill. So I'm going to cut some paper. Was it 5? It's 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches, and use those to glue on to the white pages. So anyway, I'm going to work on that, and I'm debating about whether I want to ink these. I don't think I'm going to. And so I'm just going to center my verses on each page. And I'm going to make it like this, because this is going to be a flip book. It's going to fold down like this and open like this, and your cover will be here. And this is the cover. And we'll cut this in half and use it. So what I had pictured, I'm going to fold this. Just ignore the color on the back. So you get your signatures put together, and we'll do that. And so then you'll take your signatures and you'll put your 3 signatures into this. And this is the flip book. So it's going to start like this, and you'll open it like this. Here will be a scripture. Here will be a scripture, and so on as you go through it. So that's the format that I planned it for. So I'm going to work on folding these up, folding my pages, divide them up into 3 signatures, and I will be back after I get that done. Okay, so I got my pages folded, and I changed my plan on this. I had cut some pages out of scrapbook paper to put in, and I did use a few of them. But let me tell you what I did. So I printed the pages on one side, and then I made some design changes, and then I reprinted on the other side. And as it turns out, once I cut them up and folded them, the original design lined up pretty well. Now there's some paper I had to glue in because it didn't line up. But I'm going to go ahead and let it go like that, instead of going in and gluing scrapbook paper on each page. I think it's fine for me. So if you want to do that, you could take your paper, and I would try to be really careful to line it up, you know, when you put it in your printer. And it should print pretty close. So I had these edges, see, like right there, that show. I just inked over it, and I'm just going to let it go. I even had a big one there. That one, I'm going to let that one go because I really like this print. So I got 3 signatures, and I just put 2 of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I split them up into 3 signatures. And of course, once we get the cards in it, they'll be a little bit thicker. So that's the thickness of the journal. So, and this will be the cover. So I am going to cut this apart and make a probably cloth spine to sew the 3 signatures to when we get to that point. But I just wanted to show you where I'm at. I've got these 3 signatures, and I think I'll go ahead and on the next video, I think I'll go ahead and bind them and just kind of move along with that. I think that's it. I'm still debating about whether to ink all these or not. I always like them inked. I think I probably will ink them. So that's going to take a while. So I'll ink them, and then I'll be ready on the next video to bind the signatures. So, all right. I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.